People sometimes say we manufacture beautiful, positive dreams. But we simply prefer to say we manufacture beautiful, sound sleep. The fact is, we manufacture really high-quality sleep and bedding products that people around the world luxuriate in. Welcome to Nippon Nature Foams and NKY International. Both companies are partners with Shiga Dry and Nihon Kankyo Yakuhin Group of Japan through our owner chairman. A compelling symbiosis of wisdom and technology from the Far East with the deep philosophy and caring warmth of tropical South Asia. It is a pure, unadulterated process, right from the pristine rubber forests it begins from to every step in the manufacture of dreams. The 100% natural latex sap, first stored in these gigantic tanks, then travel to an ultra-modern plant where it is treated to be ushered into machines and molds that are technologically among the most advanced in the world. For treating, foaming, vulcanizing, washing, drying and cutting. These parameters are monitored and balanced by computerized numeric control devices that ensure absolute consistency in high quality run after production run using the globally accepted Dunlop process in the manufacture of foam mattresses. At the end of each efficient, precise yet fascinating run, we have pure, eco-friendly and extremely comfortable mattress cores in regular as well as unusual shapes and sizes. The finishing of bedding products happens at another state-of-the-art facility in NKY International that specializes in padding, quilting and covering of the cores obtained from Nippon Nature Foams. Starting from a world-envied range of the most high-tech porter machines that tackle every aspect of padding, stitching and pattern making, you could say we're equipped to please even the most eclectic of sleep shoppers. Our designs find a welcome place in any imagination, anywhere in the world. And we gladly invite you to find out why. NKY also specializes in producing the hospital care mattress range and supplies to over 1,500 hospitals in Japan and other countries. With an investment in excess of $12 million US, collaboration with Japan, and with cutting-edge technology that keeps us in the forefront of the field we operate in. We wish to expand beyond our current operations, not only with a marketing objective, but also to provide the gift of sound sleep and pleasant dreams all over the world.